enkomo do so nwumre ni aboabo no kama pa ye de bro te wasudi na ensama eba no at the right time na so akọ ye Facebook ye page no so na fe wo messages o contributions na no wo de afa ho de aba Adasempa 94.7 on Facebook and ma messages no emrant na fe enyebre na yenkenkan ni nyina kama pa no emfamra nwumre a enye asem Kumasi Asante Koroko on the verge of overturning a 3-1 deficit against a year in Ghana FC, the Red Devils in a year Zambia. Now the return game basu Kumasi Babanyalago Pramaso the weak Koroko defense no umay ready as we ebeso the strong attackers and midfielders of a year in Ghana Red Devils and so far how far Kumasi preparation right saying now we say a dew kwada and Ghana Red Devils see a PM oh my Ghana my say has to focus a section of their fans could share in Ghana for us spiritually and I feel physically no idea we got tie in Ghana for chi o ma shomubo am Ghana for so aja timi sampa ba o ma baron o mo be Kumasi Asante Koroko wo Kumasi be pa enti be Kumasi na fe Asante mantem sem keka na fe ye nuana na agiman e de nsem enkoma ekoso Kumasi nyina no e de adome live and exclusive on Asempa 94.7 nyano kwa ye started the campaign say $8 million bi ene nhwehwemu aya say aban e de ebebo ye Black Stars home bra ewo ye AFCON 2019 ye bisa say as a country as a people $8 million no enough and as a worth say ye de ma Black Stars kopiemo ewo Egypt say yenko prekru amra and I'm say the normalization committee at the budget of 7.2 and they got to abanim nanso ye woso ye na nkomo ko eche no aban si da bi sikani so $8 million GMPC for Monfamra na fe yemfa nkobo Black Stars home bra san komo ma wayani me twen asenka obi bebade a different version of this information ya gada no e dia baba still baby ye din na say na ye bebo room na fe de another side of the revelation no e dia ba we say Dr. James Kwesi Apia monitoring na okon okuta sika $30,000 $30,000 and esika eno ewo eye nhwehwemu aya yem se ye de abma papa ye kutas onfanko na onfanko monitor Ghanaian players esia kan ewa manane sanseri nyina no ye be wura na fe ye bisa ho se so $8 million no e de eye cap no e bre Ghana and I say ekoye a waste of money taxpayers money and sika ehon komo kakra ye de ba ye de the detail of the budget no ho nsem kakra no ni nyina wujuma de so live and exclusive ye be di mu komo na fe ye ho nsem nyina no Eddie Abrewa enye asem kuma na phobia never say down to the bones are rotten say when catch FT work match back up or ebe prem say ati say catch for na shase ntoato pa in the right time ye be call na hu say wonni bema be kona so bia na awudiem e de no ma hu ntia o mo che say kwan bia so no ha se ba o mo ebe hye no ni nyina no nkoma anwumre yaboabo no kama ye de ni nyina bro live on Asempa 94.7 team of able producers ebo machidom do so writer amenyo wo harmo Bernard Paddy Butchi e wo ha Gifty Anti e wo harafi Immortal and so e wo harmo Wallace mushosho nyina no ebo machidom say producers and anwumre yesi nkonya ye de nkomo nyina no bro midi e de oben kwaku Andy aya no from Maestro the Ultimate na mitima be de nkomo nyina ba ye ko ye Kumasi Asante Mantem na fi ensem keka ye nua nanajiman wa ye krado wo horma ye de nkomo nyina no e ba tewasudi Hello, Nana, good evening.
Hello, my show.
Jamana Bibia Bakode.
Yamia Domo, Namonsoe.
Yahuya pa, Nana, what do you mean to you?
Oh, Nano, may I say new comedy about Manton can be.
Nana, now be a miam combe, be nice and make us say, fetch me.
And I'm Gassi Biabu, Nabiam Diabu Tunkus, baby.
A bit in Grand Sire, say, Hadney.
Them had the what was it do baby out to me. Pro no mom now when said it.
Fantastic. Minim say and nyuma sentiment do na to ye Koroko ne Ghana ye match Ebaso Sunday no what the teams ni mienu nyina echi pa boy nkomo na fe ye hwe ensem ba ko mi bia e free Asante Mantem ba.
Okay, Maestro. mienche tifo bim na yema tifo akwa ba bim samfamra asante mantem agudi mu nsem keka ebrenya so se ne de na chese nsema hodo a edi adencheche wa asante mantem anaja yede ebre tifo mu chi asempa 94.7 FM na maestro agina konya se de na chese nsem no de wa asante mantem ha enkan stu edi tie na yatena si ya yede ebre mu na se de na wo kana nyame yadma kwestiada sisi de se de ade nya sta edefia de na chese aka de da ba ko na nyame ya adwuma asante korokone nkana FC game no etuja na mame fantuja se ne due ya me no kasai tim no edinani ekire kumasi children room ekoye adoye kakra enye nim se nyame ya adwuma kwasi ada game na eba so no hu behia se asante koroko tim na ja wonom betimi aya adoye kakra na omatimi enya fever that dey fu twede ampo nyankopon wonti sam na me no kasai no ene tim ne nani ekire children room no mokoye no ade se omutimi ekoye donation kakra in fact Abrante fence reche sine numu brother na one na kita for the emode normal kakra ko che students for ma wo mo so komo musika kakra ntina no na che akwa ko ye ni gisem sine nu ya ye nyina ye hwedi nyame ya adoma ka kwasi ada obetimi asi akan dia ma asante koroko ne se ma studio tele sa Abrante no be kan be ka de kre omo munya breti asante mantemo na sempa ene se no Abrante no ade se ni plan de na ka Abrante ne nan no ekode Nimum enma me ko training ground so de me ko yene sa branch no ne nan na sa hono pose ahono na me busa mpanyifo se nyame adno kwasi ada branch be time ti akan bia na so ntimi mu bia na de mpanyifo de tu manim ne se nyame adno chena play fence which is no nya de to chena no ana se nyame adno kwasi ada obetime si akan e de ama sante ko because so hwa uko training ground sa timi se ne nan no timi gina so etimi kan ketenkete but as so betimi de akeke ball no eno de aye dey because the 9 on so we said the 90 na ase ahono ntino ebeye de ne se obetimi de ahye boot asi akan e de amakoto nyame adma Sunday samna no ka say de se de no amekan no ife e bia ade bia enwanwa bia enwanwaso bi se e bia miracle bi betimi asi e bia free numre ya akosi nyame adma tena akopem se nyame adma akosi ada game betimi abaso no na e bia brante no atiri anya don na si akan bi se nya sa bia na pe de me ni hu ne de na se be yedene e de ama player ye fence reche ne na to no so tisi akan e de ama pro bi kuma se asante koroko nyame ya adoma akwasi ada na enu atima mental fantasy as a team no enam do moni akire chief imam aso ye e ko je mpa ebo kakra ye nyina se enim se nyame ya adoma akwasi ada se the game ne titi no tinchina e wasa asante koroko timi di nkuni because anything apart from victory and as a maximum 3 points no one way na the asante koroko mo chances of qualifying no e de omo kwa akoto ba bia be ye den yi papa pentete no e di nyina mu no mo hia mpa ebo ansa na nyame adma game no enso etimi ato gentle no ka so mbo mani chief mama so ye etimi ekwaje mpa ebo kakra na enweti team no ebe ye training ene e wo Kumasi baba ya stadium ebo be no miensa ene team ne be ye training ene training no na enya asem kito team se tika kola ne boys no wo mo try se no be ball work no mo wo mo de ball ne be to from na pro mo timi apuse se de be ya on say in Ghana for no mo wa e zo ye wa jin to be flutu balls na balu balls na dia na akwa ha gene kakra ntene no wo training ne ade na omo yan se ball ne da pom na mo try se wo metimi apuse se ball na ne ade na ade ba ko a ene mi ye ne se ne Dr. Kwame Teba training grounds wo na eno de nenu nyam ne support wo mom e wo training grounds ne mu ade ba ko na me ka se ne mi hu ye ne se Abrante Fence Daniel Dakwa mi nua ma issue nyame adoma kwasi ada Daniel Dakwa te ekoba se onya lord nom e start game ne makotokwa e ma ne nye asante koroko supporters ne nwanwa se the supporters dodo na nom omo etimi agite se nyame adoma kwasi ada kwa bia so sika ko no one start Abrante Fence Daniel Dakwa nom se nyame adoma Sunday o start player na e ma ne nye nwanwa because it say reliable information and after sources amenya within the technical team say one way ajimabedu coach ya fence sika ko no betimi drop no na the central pair no wabo Abrante Fence Daniel Dakwa ene dia Abrante a di yobobo wa abadam tene Abrante Fence Ganiu e was that central pair no na the Daniel Dakwa na say e must impon our yellow card suspension tene na e must impon wono afi ho na Daniel Dakwa ba be gina left side na Abrante experience awonya brand o si academy Diana Stars wabo Luka Black Stars wabo Black Stars pen experience wonya ye neja wono so dia ba be gina left side na fi wono fit media boa aba no nyina akuye dia Asante koroko mu defense wono na enwochi na me kon so say nyame ya no edumiri me no ka say kura na bia na meeting no I started that the executive chairman Edema Asante koroko Dr. Kwabi Chei and Milligan can happen in Miriam, or Shia no, said ye, almost desk could give away, you know, what the man can continue good into the Kumasa, ye, and I just a buffet, dinner can see a part, you call so, and one can a woman on the deep fine. We know some so extra movement, as a Yamia Duma against this could not come in Kunampa, or to me to us who couldn't then the American can away yet. Ebiana kwankwe golden tulip because golden tulip corona no wa na enkana fo no so da enti nim da bi ene ebi o betimi akoma na emu after now no ka say the information ekuta me say nyame yad mo no ka say no telephone sports hotel ho no eho ene nyame yad me ne Dr. Kwame Che decide so ne boys nya betimi ahia na promoting ado ano baba na o betimi ahwe say nyame yad ma kwasi ada bi o betimi ahye ne nkran say gi no betimi ahye ana say na won sem sisi na to no doctor no so no and we dey also be an na also e dey program ten ni seja we e so nko ni me mate say nyame ya aduma exclusively live on Asempa 94.7 FM so no mate say betimi akoso e was sports hotel ho na enu chi metete thanks atante koroko supporter ye say Christopher Damenya aha the Christ no so mate say nyame ya aduma kwesi ada say big fit me ba wa say man ten bo say big fit ba nko ade ne dum pe bia no wono so ebe prefer so betimi aye dia momo eti enu so bosha mate e free Christopher Damenya ho na enwoti yete nyame mami fanti ga se edmire anase awie ya be edmire mu no my studio say the National Sports Authority penny for NT no timi pa onipa bi amenne baba ya stadium no in fact o ma clinic konya no sunyina amenne gata ta wo do stadium ho o ma timi yiji mama se nsuo ni nyina efulu washing room se ne ade o ma clinic no fine ni nyina ne se nyame adma ko tiada JTC no 2050-80 na so obi be kwa sori awie na obaba be ticket be 20 cities no obaba tena se bia konye fi so de bia na aha kene kakra enu achi na say stadium ade ba ko so ma observe ne say obi o wa oba stadium a ba should do ne say onu akasa ni handkerchief shade bottom no obi stadium a just osan so to ba ko ka home na stadium na konya ne say so free price aye no osan so de ta handkerchief no na what on this or the sack kunya no sansan with ya place it na say me to no mo timi hu san no no and no try so people kunya ni what stadium no so omo wia omo kire omo so wi san say nyame adma kwasi ada na game ne beba so ntino sa clean up exercise omo san so ato so o kina ene de kwasi ada no panom ansa na stadium no matinya bie ama ma fo so etinye wuram echa ticket aba be place it we so Abuja na edumire so dem say kem game say Gabon official ta nyame adma kwasi ada omo di game no nyame adma we bi edumire na dem say kan so mo betima be duru krom ha na empanyifo so akwa akwa be bia momada na nyame adma game no so etini atoga enotin so no ame fantu ja say ene me ko nkana fo na so eye na nkana fo na so ene wura ho no utim say na omo so training ni ade omo ye no omo de omo nkini nyina ne say man school bo ma ba Ghana ne paade anye bia anything bia enye loose bia no also repeat bibi every free Ghana had ko mu kurum etini say so we training ni ade omo ya omo try say do e be defensive wise at omo e try so much so defense ni yi obi te say Abranta no tia kan ba Kumasi Asante Kodokoyi Benadam na se Benadama woni ni metete to no betime gine kire ho woni Abranta bi e fe se Musonda wonya put 1 years eno na me strategy an ma gine ho am say eti kotoko Abranta fe se Benadama be no tia kan plan ma kotoko no na on central position ho anase central defense enye ho na no obo ena after so bi a wodi put 1 years eno mo de ne ba be pe Benadama eti Sunday Yakuba ene fata onu no obed nom nyame ya adma kwasi ada so mutimi prolific pa etimi take no chance to dia na kete nyame ya adma kwasi ada kwa bia so Benada no yoba kwetokokra no bia nim say left side of defense and obo ene bibi kla na eti Musa Mohammed ene Kiroka na eni ho ene de Benada ma ya drafted ne na ba central defense won say ko ba ne sa bia na kete nyame ya adma kwasi ada sa santo koroko defense no o mutimi prolific etimi utilize o chances ye pa dia na just nyame adma ta more than 2 goals come kan ho asem no bi o metumi nya kra na drube enai bia na enum bi de nya ne say strikers no obedo usu no ne fata o ne Yesoni Yakuba no o metumi atepi o chances ni yi because obi a we dey 41 years so ba be defense na ye de Benada ma no so on se ba nye typical central defender na o ye left back de ne de ba be central defense de o metumi yi o mo de a ene o metumi atwa defense no so na fi o mo so nya kontra bebribi ne mum o mo office asene de the omo Kenya na nyame adma kwasi ada omo krum ha omo be di be 4 days nyame adma kwasi ada kan ho be 5 days na omo timi acclimatize weather na omo timi wuche de baba ya stadium ne tete ne ate no Yami adu mo chena che omo kwa kugina stadium ho akwa kwa training se the cap nhihye mu sitie no o se away team bia ba ono team training on match venue yami adu mo chena awia be 12 to 1 ho baby en menya ne tie so betima kwa training na pe omo wia na asante korokon so akwa ye omo de eti yami adu mo so say omo ba kurum ha omo di kai training e wo paaju omo ko bi wo opoku high school omo mo che the Ghana system e we dani ade na city eti yami adu mo chom san so ye baba ya stadium ye ka ho de a na che opportunity wo ho se omo si timi pick bi di free kurum ha anye bia no kotoko kra sha wo so mo timi chebi na omo timi yere kotoko kurum ha na omo se timi bi so edi free omo say na se beto ja se omo ba beduru no ye say house of supporters no bi omo agen so ayin wo mo ebe boa nkan na for na omo so timi di kurum a na ene metwebe mbusa omo sa sansem na ene na nam Ghana ham twebe mu no omo te na se okura so omo te ya nsema ye mu bi e tie no ta pepepe na tie na in fact mpanyifo mo dan kan na no wo mo chief executive officer and that your vice president on so baby no wo mo tire mo so mo de wo mo ense dan contact house of supporters ne de ni mo e baby mo ko bia ne bia wo ko training na wo mo wa bia na house of supporters ni bitimi ba se e bi mo bi mo timi de abo mo de bo mo nya se bia nyam ya ma Sunday mo timi ba stadium aba be support o mo se to mo bo nipa no bidi kura wo mo mo hia wo be se nyam ya ma Sunday yo mo so betimi aye bia de abo nkan na fo no wo mo so ebeye o kuma stadium na fe nyam ya doma wo mo so no etime twa fa sante korokos na ye sei empanyifo mo din kan na chi no maestro wo no mo din command se mo kan te kotokoshe kokko o ba Zambia o mo so she kokko etu se nyam ya doma supporters o ba stadium no the one o ma ye careful kura na o players no o de show team na se kotokoshe kokko na so mo kan na fo so she kokko na supporters o ba stadium en se de kokko je si de ba stadium dia and it's for more kasa players no kwa be free say eh and say yan kasa supporters ku en kana fo ya na be stadium ha e ten on say yere won ye bo ne ye shema mo so ni time je to mo de wo mo support akoro ko be nya o stadium on enya de ba ko ase e be tumi pushi wo mo de nyina na so mo free say wo mo ko to ko nyina se kokko enti nyame adma kwasi ada supporters o mo ba stadium be se kokko de a na te tell you want to because some supporters ko ba stadium se kokko enti o me fa ne say no supporters na na stadium ho enti no o mo we se nyame adma kwasi ada wo mo so be tumi apiki bibi e dey free asantemand mo ade akom krum Zambia eti na ja maestro and we had a big game ever so Sunday e wo kuma say Baba Stadium no e ho nsem a e gavi ni nyina no e na je no bre ye shed nya bre ewura mu a ya do so ni nyina ade ma ti form ti asempa 94.7 FM maestro and we na tete mo ba ya
fantastic
94.7 FM maestro
medase pa na ebre ne konanya sa enka nano exclusive na me de ma no de ba ko san kan ho na fe at the right time nya bra kasa me no bonkom na ma cheche mu ye pa na wudim se Dr. James Kwesi Appiah Blasters head coach wudim se one na mama no ne monitoring
of course
fantastic na wudim se sika $30,000 per the hu budget no ani atam de ama papa ya ode esa monitoring no
eno ye budget omo ye ma na say mo de wura budget fufuru mu
we eka budget no budget component no the ode be monitoring no so be call in two trenches na say bia after this one or sign proposition obesan ko bi ma no so $30,000 and say we mo transidin no matwen so oba no be ka so you satisfied with this one no onko biem dia na say 30 na ode kono eno one no but oka say wonye satisfied also sign monitor other players elsewhere na say another $30,000 and ye de be mana shiri butum na odiako eno ye nkomo kakra no so me de ka ho ama
nice good nice the okay dey ye mompa ye se Kwesi Appiah beba na obeka che se so far de okohwe no ye okay na nya sa de aja bibini de witma ba na oba sa beka che de bi onye okay o so sa ko fem kakra sa ba na another 30 so ko na minim se normalization committee yo mo ba ye minima se de o mo ye bia sikasem no he o mo ne clubs yi conflict ne ade e ko si kura yi sikasem minim se bibia o mu ye bia na e tintina o so mu di sika na eye ansa na ye bibia e pese ba normal se ne ye saka dia mitime nche because so far so as bibia ba tie bia na ye sika sa maestro
okay problem pa entina ma me na asam for nsia ho at the right time ye ni nkomo na me mfa details no dia hinta nyina no ni sika hodo a wo mo edi achi nyina dia akọ nyina no meti nyina ho dia akyew na also wato aso dia fi ho why me da se pa
more fire maestro me
da se na me kan pa okay na najiman ene na wie afri Kumasi Very well, yeah, yes, you come back to Kumase na fe ye ne lawyer Safu Duku di nkoma na fe we dem say okupiem wo Zambia no adaroma ono ane ba me san ne bon komo de ho nkomo nyina edom oman Ghana for then so yes aka no live and exclusive ye ne twen komo wo Asempa 94.7 lawyer Madwe. Hello lawyer.
Hello Mazo. Good evening.
Number 2 you me wa pom te saying
you may Damiadum Yoye.
Yeah, the Yamia pa. Baby, campaign here, Koroko must rise. Koroko must rise against a year in Ghana Red Devils. Some project, more than the same preparation. I echo this game, more copying Kwesiano. But I'm coming back.
What I say, Amateur Asempa 94.7. At you for na Oba the Ubo FMY, a Gusu, a bit maybe a Yamran Tian Mabawani na Tiagum. Ni management na obi a ni na ne say e pesa man fo se konkese e da sante kotokonim e da kwasia da any radio ni TV so kwa ne mo ye ba pro bi no na mu various business centers chef fires ni ma ko du nyina bi ni na e kotoko o ko be bia on sa na the playing boy and so from no no coach why juma papa both on and off the field man dine ho se ba bia du shenen munyam no show won kasa won munyam non je nso omo adi omo ni comfort ho omo ko camp on ti se obi kra aye bibi tia campus bia bi ti da se ba ye ti se South African si man ti ko shemu a ko bo nkana ma ti ba ya omo abedu omo se mu yes, I'm actually not a company. Indeed, it's so many break for some will be more man. Na coach, I did Intiminka, Nina said, your course, I'm a Kumdiamano, your toast in the or totally management, your partner, should you say, be a husband for you, Edema or Ma or my phobia in this one. Mantiano who one says, who's a mood no more, and every mood, and any diasem cry. Sana Condi Oka Hasso Yeno, and that's the city. Nadaka said, in a moon and brain, now supporters and so I say about some Babano. When you say a corner and nothing, so to be our short to one and no idea, and found to say, in a bonnet home. And David Smith, any upgrade town. And I never be a super coming because about Canano and it's a stadium my father 10,019 years anima. Na even a drum say a better two by idea. Yeah, we're coming in a bomudia, yeah, from the Macase. The reasonable mind be a Becassa, yeah, I could see. The kind of conscious don't hear and I'm fine. Now, when you said that was Siada. Sadia ubia any yanso SFI home there any kwa say you drop points and I when so I when I I'm the coach why you duma what see no some no it me 18 of some mo you duma mai
very well
so far there from na ebo no e football from bibia chese amanfo ade atum so beba.
Very well. Lord, na say the nipa fam dem say why be possible. Who so community saying and I'm saying kind of way by a section of has fans akwadwo baba say spiritually physically omo eboa mama omatimi atwa fa Kumasi Asante Korokoso minim Dr. KK upon time na bu say budget no bia spiritually and I say fam be 80 million bi sha sare no matwam mu pen so and I say mu wuram mu against Ghana this particular game.
Oh, me da jo ba ni hu bi asa say spiritual matters 80 million bia ne mom no ya GDN say Yankopa team paye na so no oso boado boado se wa je se unema yi a wan ro kwa na ubonya sana oye na duma yen ye dika say ye betutu ye nema no feta chiri na enye nkwa paye no je kotoko na so se me de minimza se ha so obi bia no bia kama bukura no a edom na ye kura no Esa say empire boni ya ho den ye bibia no etwipa ene opposition so Ghana. Because you cover over 80% of the entire population. And will be enemy. It's media here anyone here. Yeah, to train you. I mean, say, yeah, force on no thing, which more overpower any opponent to be. If you win a year.
Lona, Sabua Mekaka, what is it? You can say Koroko's weak defense. Koroko's weak defense. No, I am never moja soon tikaka. We am show kakra. Se Koroko started campaign March day 4. Any kumu game beer Koroko shepe then obe concede. And ya problem. She said defense no to klubi di dada horom. To klubi di dada ho. And the Koroko weak defense no saying CK akoro enemranti and omo sheshe no we tweet ya to say that on Sunday enya dia omo ebe concede unnecessarily bia.
Well, maybe to say Kotoko a weak defense. Because football, the year we now go anymore. They say clubs were 12 and now 16. I can't come to see him. No, be I consider goals on the qualify another.
Fantastic.
And you know, qualify here. Honey, I think never market. The end of the family, they won't consider, don't consider goals. No. Idea if you say man for one akasetia a coach so nothing to be therefore one day any that coach my coach oguso adabia how to say attack you me produce all departments no obenya ye na most of football coaching we are ongoing process we do that ko ni it's media research man no chance
Medasipa because me na me problem pa ne say ebia na aduma fefi na Koroko atimi ahye bia 2 goals she Koroko she 2 na nka na nhye bia unim se Koroko atimi akọ nanim kakra fine but obehye mienu na eche ho antimi ansom ye na ba ko bi kwoto atenema na akofa problem e dia baba but me chance kakra che say nka na for defense no wo kan players be 1 2 3 4 wo kan um nyina ages bo ma be dru be 100 be 20 and I say 130. Now say defense kwa na ya 77 mpanimfo and I say nkokrafo a cha say Koroko youth boys and I say nkwadai I say committee me twifa nkana for so easily and also modibani ahwe kakra and I say mun hwe sa defense no enke kan kwada no age mu ema mun hu say de nkana defense ni tire nkokrafo nkwa
yeah after bia any age nkwa ena exceed over say and I say de no do I say do nimbo after bia we here a blend of the young and old. So far as the Nipano over deliver them free and they are here. Yeah, no, anyone here. Yeah, just say a different strategy. It may be a check almost say. Sadia can watch about how it is to be. Okay, no technically coach winning dada or young Wajima. And I make us say, a man or so Montesa, Augusto or again, Wapem. The moment they hear and say, we are results that's the no coach has to area. If you go on coach go, no one shall fall.
Okay.
The defense only attacking me for now. There's also coach now depends on this. When man say, on your do a bit my boy, now also be a boy.
No, what a minute we cry. Minu we cry. There may be some say, if you saw so be saying, say Koroko ntimi an share in Kana on Sunday. If that ni be no anything.
Minister Koroko be say. If you no quality person, we are winning, and I can assure you.
And this is
you need to be as say never going to say lose Debbie. Lost me your vocabulary on Sunday.
Na ekoba entunsa so ni bi anything
enjime ma engineers na so no
because obi who say
we are winning.
Okay,
so
okay.
Ko be say no ko ano ma jemu dada o
ba so de mo bi
me mo be so no dan anza na be so no ene ma bre ene krokro mu so jaze
eno krepa
eno krepa bi anye ya ene ntimi nyina o ye di no you know road to play I play the years na say ko siada loss was 7 the first year after loss no
Chairman, football win draw lose. Enti mu miensa no anase miensa na mu ba ku bia betimi aba. Ene possible se koroko betima trafia elusu tu nkana. Enti se mu ko lusu a esu asori bi ni sen.
Is discuss it when no ye peno. Ho ni ensem ne beka. Bi e be se hwe eno ya kire na e ma santi no me ubusa me ni ho adwene me fa ho plan bia.
Okay. Ndiye na final look at koroko fans a omu etie dwumadi ene assurance be na ade momo.
Obia Ocean Atari efe. Obia zo wedding day ho efe. Edi extra kosiara yenso yebo home. Ngala for fa mo de efe fe kitwe o ma fa mo de yenso kosiara. Mo nyina nka mo yenso janwo mo so. Yenso for points no obia fa na samko.
Adamu omu kan sa se omu form de ho na so mo ba magye mo de wa ha. Mo no mu kan.
Ye ne ma ji ko sa na ekro.
But mo no mu kan mo ti ase.
Ani ese ni omo ga so mu. Ma fa de ana ye be transfer o Robina point. It is that. E put ye bi ani ma be ko mo.
Ati ase pa. Tinaza mo no ma kan mo mati ase.
Omo ga sa no mo ni se omo ba na de o bra papa bi o.
Okay.
Oh,
fantastic. Fantastic. Course area na say de anije pa na bapa. But possible say korokon so betumi elusu ofio. Possible.
Onim. Bi jina for papa si woni so. Eno na utimi work towards it. Ye no, ye de wen kwa na si eno ntino. Loss mo se my team ntino. Ye fa ya ginen ko. Ye si ebo tane se ba wen ntino. And the Akuma because we have worked for it.
Okay. Lord, because me who be paying was mama supporters na assurance sa na bia ye bokodoko bia mienu a bo so mo te park ne so ade omu nkofie kra ebi su na ebi kura timi hwire omu nkwa enti mama assurance mama assurance atokro da ho na ankoyi a omu so atimi ehu se omu ekobi na anhyeda ankoyi sa.
You say oni pa ya wo fa gina ma na ajaba na ba pa no ene ba na ma wutuo no ubetimi achieve sa de nti ye no e dey achieve timi say ya wene ti dey be ya wene nti no ade e be defeat ni hunti e bi ni akwa nti e juma pa wo
yo but me sure say mo ko kitu na mo dey winning na eko so ekoda na ebukam
na me ka say dey na sia ko ye no obi ahụ odin e wo ni fie so obi afa o ye ma papa ni ya papa so hard work face
yate lawyer we Ghana for nyina bompa attack koroko echi on Sunday na hwese enema betumi asesa against Nkana the Red Devils on Sunday nti support nyina ebeba in our numbers na abeta team na nti Asho boys ne say etawmachi ajuju na omnyiro omho no omnye focus no omnye they also omye Parkers na victory no emra enkoma Ghana for yede wasipa lawyer
inshallah never win.
Fantastic. Lawyer Safu Duku live and exclusive Asempa 94.7 and I say yenenya nkomatwetwe kakra ode eba say winning mentality and ene omde eko and I say omde tikuma say etwen the Red Devils in Ghana FC from Zambia and the area city but game no the other meaning say win lose or draw be possible. What do I say? And I am not describe Koroko for defense and say a weak because so what Tinafia crab na onya victory. A quaya ubehana lose bo bi na tonet no and in kind of phone or mentality ni say kianiki umbakrum harma umbenyago and it ama Koroko mentality no I bleak kaka am if you say coach CK akono or very big task to a year say obey putting your together then you met me akoyediama but yam refie na fe yenim common to so Michael Okan atenase and afi see Jan ha Kobe Stone what also atenase a omnyina eboa na fe yedin komo nyina no e dia ba Kobe good evening.
Marshall, we come na.
Fantastic.
Sports night no. Enka me baswa me piesa akwa. Yana me won communes bi eja ede eyi kwan mam because on say me piesa akwa. So me ntama so nti me baso so me piesa akwa. But I will pardon you and I will take your time to speak a little bit of English to pardon you. So that okay.
Dabi I monyum hazao. Me tia nyum ne so. Monyum sa. Yenyi club, yenyi afre yensi business ah. See good evening. Bobby onye serious. Michael good evening. Anytime. Michael mama sha sem free honum. Now, what kwachi okobonyum. Call reception okobonyum. Serious. Michael, yanhwe the game Koroko composure. Also of the good game. Yene lawyer Safu Duku akasa. And afi kind of so o share o reactions so they buy into the game. It looks as if say o my relax because they feel say Koroko defense no intimi hold that fearsome attack na o mo dey ba no. Yen go into the game na afi yen share prediction so far e be tia koso.
Maestro we share this game we say Kotoko for Muko Zambia the Song Ghana said, "You say they are going to Zambia to go and win against Ghana." Yeah. But after some mobile, they came with a loss, and we had now when they came on Tuesday at airport, Wednesday recovery training session. Yeah. And Sana, Oma used to be a Thursday and Friday they are training, but we shall report now about what to say. Your donations our children's home. Any or visit Imam. Which I said,
Michael, fetch me, fetch me. Maybe you wait for an affair, Quenimo entry. Yan park of Fisum, ending como chapters in Piero. Yan any didn't come. Ya Tissa could take to Krubima and Yasankuma. Madre,
you money, I'm a dosso.
The Biabacode.
Radiatum. Jinamanaso Papono.
As a Korokone, Tim Biaba, now who pro, now who pro, as a Unibi Papa, I had to say.
And yes, Kotoko, anything be a boba. The previous way, Karubangis and Omanamacasa from Kenya, or mobile, or Mansan to us, being Biomachi, Canada, Omanamacasa from Zambia, no Mbudu comes of San Fremia, Meno Free, Accra Airport, Cookie Mokumasis, Michiho, and Ra. And yes, the BBID. So be the Boo Mawa. That was so bueno. Bonibia Nemocra. Say,
oh, hey, Fanam no Cassie.
Yamiadum, the Budu good intellect. 2 hours, yes. The Okumasi good intellect in Ghana.
So to say, Pa Ojedian.
Majorine. From Ghana.
Ojedian.
Majorine. Oh, Babayara Phobia Stadium in Kumasi. And in Ghana will do it.
Yam fan a sell on Saka winning. Emphasis Bena, a beba usunsum, or so, a new bottom.
Images. A ye, Nasia, a Baba Macum, a Bokwira Dinking, and that can support the studio of Ghana. I got to quit a club like Castle Folk with Jomunya for so many years. The repeat time. They say, yeah, any gentleman, baby, would wait and see. Okay.
So any okay, a bound quaho, but a mother entire fraternity of a the Phobians or Encohaso, a bound quaho, mean, yes, sure, say, or the support of management and maybe the directors, and I say, be the players. When quite bound quaho, oh, yeah, selfish, and yes, sir.
And ya no correct. O Pierre so ya hasni, none, o bit also Casa Cotoco Rin or you wouldn't on your hasni, papa. On your hasni. If it's also named the history of Hassan Kotoka and Conquer or Kekano. In fact, everybody must know where he's coming from. We should know our tradition and where we believe. And our your friends say, whatever things I say for our individual club. But Mensa, as chairman of Kotoko, or Chile letter come a calf. Say, yep, it's the yellow card while I acquired the Champions League. When you look at the car for channel, that time on a bit less than no yet a gun any. Yeah. Now, how to see a gun any. It's any problem. Every Phobian so win we ba enyam pa ko sia da obi ani baje.
The tradition of the beautiful people with beautiful colors, xenophobia, no, never say die until the bones are rotten.
Exactly.
Me sure so winning pa, but baby, I would trendy fay. It has nothing to do with never say die until the bones are rotten.
Ali Maradona, Edi kotoko fuenim that has odi eyimba fuenim that has a Champions League or boase. That time no kotoko management member would do to the extent that Bass cry the Yimba or Momo rejected. Pretty much he was part of the Yimba officials. No kotokoni that time no adia no official sadia na pepepe and amasomehere.
No aje
na maji bedin me ho atome kama.
Very well. So far, then why you the eboa and canafui?
You enye ni na na yeka. And so akoba ni say a club like in Ghana FC, in fact in Ghana Red Devils, omo de bu omo buy a first thing is so airport or chart catch be plane say Omaba to tap the anointing from House of Oak as the club winning the first Confederation Cup in Africa. And Omu clearly say there is a secret with House of Oak, so Omu tap from House of Oak a Bobuang. It's an Omu the same so. Let me use the same spirit. Let me find and talk with you. Now Omu sang Kapono. It's no your book as an Omadama House of Oak. Now going forward, no. Meno mo so na ko ma se adetin a me fi ho mo so nkoma yedi ye de me nturu fa to mframam na mom bibia esesa mefa na omunya that victory no. In fact the yema ho na say the striker Ronald Kapamba Sati ebunko to do now catch him playing said the Adamakuma son obey goals no now World Cup warrior no so mama Anhoba Harrison Chisana Shadrach Malambo Duncan Otieno. Tell these guys are seriously praised. I told them to forget about Kotoko. Kotoko will think of me. They should concentrate on I would take all the pressure for them to go and do the rule. Until at the end they have been 2 goals to so hang come. And you're not and the media nobody has actually something to be a mob pie. Very well. Me a chat to them, Jimmy Mazu, a Bakumasa for no. Or Hinabakwa and Sam Emma, near call Babayara Center Circle by 11 p.m. this very evening, no, and none of but will do my own thing at the hotel.
Okay, but so just a quick one. One Kasabet me call Babayara ko game ni answer be share from afar.
Na so mu Kotoko supporters be begu Golden Tulip nim so mo pa me abumi ekume. Because
my nyam message say do say wo be ma se ono a Kumasi wo kura tu na si ho. Enti amanfo so chezem se won kan uni Kumasi.
Me se me ye be ma chen se do. And omugu Golden Tulip nim na momumu ewura yinsa epie ni ombedi nkomo. They can never see me and I will be in Babayara. Hey, they say they want an anas why a mask and anam you mask. Me mask menumna ba ni anyame sira no.
Fantastic. Since man fancy abamina sepa na sa campaign ya odi asu ani so say ya nyame muo na bibia enko kama pa enya so a se wankasa
nyame bua nti amen.
Mate. Okay.
Kana nim tunnel dada.
Okay. Let us pa sunsum and I say or also the kakra but interestingly because menena nka say nwi na obi send me this interesting message. I say bro sunsum is lying. We are drinking beer at Palu Pub at St. John's Achimota from my own good brother Kennedy Ken from GTV.
Me interview bi Emma interview na me no me free ni pa no a phone number.
Okay.
But then no, I can say, oh, Susu wa how. And I'm say, Susu wa hadia, Mamma and Kasa. And I'm Miss Susu. A Kasai. I say, oh, Kumasi true. You probably Kumasi, and I'm a friend. Okay. And I'm so, and then Miss Mamma Susu Kasa, and I'm Miss Susu Ekasai. Campaign ya Susu, ever so. What has the team? And that's what no one buano. And snapping, I mean, many Kwame Paradu din komana dria ewo sports pay 2 na okasimia na eme depa o se House of Folk management eni tweka wo dia park office ni eyenimu eni mpo supporters se wo House of Folk ebimu so a section of the fans eni tweka ewo enti so no park office no fo se eno no oye ama atimi aboa na wo mo san dwene ho as management wo mo hu se ni family so no boa kotoko because se kotoko den ama kotoko ehunu se sebe obrana obon ni obi ana po asem enti bon no mo po na ase Ghana ye support a obi adi akire ye obi aka kotoko no ene obi a wa finish bia na osre kire kotoko but in session jurisdictions say club bia anke bia obe the release and I say disclaimer beba say bia management no yen san she say jumedi we ase I get the point say if fans na ko be challenge nipa be ko game no san se mi be ho a ma game ye de but me has impeded for so ya dwen now na mba ni say Paco Fususum in his interview first interview granted ye na ye no before be kasa no di kan say me say asem na ono Paco fi e ka no e ono yeah, the personal you are person woye. But maybe the dear Kosui interest no a born kwa ho for what they has a kunina. Supporters nina. Supporters nina. And in this case, the team must come out. No chino free such statement ho because the park was send the first statement the first interview no or can say e ono na eye and na we mi bisa no o can say ono na they are fair enough but o can say ebusuakuo ni nyina maso enye bibia na obra obo no say obo bra na oba bi se be oba bi aso odi mi ntie say you attention fi ade bi a wo yeso House of Folk echina ya America say omne eka chire ebo they have a match almost prepare team no ntie so almost focus no mu so mo ye bibi sebe susu no wanya na asem a so ka has wonti no na management e yo matense fi no ma papa bia e bia bebo am so abedi susu mu semachi no I don't agree with
but
you.
The issue of the game, maybe I don't see anything wrong with you. Maybe who be wrong with the Sunsum because there's a true that sporting challenge to the players. I want to say, any Koroko management I say, we might put the right things together. No matter a massive victory, a club. So, but who say they are Sunsum, nyadia kesi wutimi bie na no kura hyase kura se wo ka ho asem because adia wo ye no say or set examples and Lima Adona and Asumasi I mean those time na eko sabere na obi den and national na no man dia small kai menka ebusuafo ya de o say na kanewu ye ne kusi ne sen o say kanewu time no yesu timi ko desi ye nyina one no ko desi ye do and American no say you see otimi ko desi ye nyina o cha say but enei owe say obi abe ko de nana kwame dan kom nyina desi you see one thing I will say you realize nana kwame dan ko of kotoko nana kwame a deputy akarep obeti nana oti anankadru nana kwame dan kwa osi sapo nana kwame dan kwa sebe na akarep edma kotoko kana radio so say edubri bi wo kodokom otimi gi ne bema ne ntohwe nyina guso na wo de som koroko edu da se bi nyese ye na ese nyina wada na we o kaso adese ye da kana emphatically so adese ye run hu nyina enti we edma kotoko anano wo de ye na ade bi o de man koroko no enti enya asem kuma but we susum de ade ba ko pen ma say koroko management no o munya distracted o mu twi o madwene si o ansa susum ma focus e wo de o mo ye na house crowd management na entry na attention ko ho na ye kotoko management no mva o madwene ko so e ke bia do say ka Ali Maradona o kuma e na Sunsum started that game. Yeah, definitely. Ubenya Lima do.
Obe support.
I am Kophobia go. E don't come on. I won't even. See I can be to me for Michael on
Sunsum me asa me Sunsum woni me akopɛ. Ba ye nuafo ye adafo pa. Na Sunsum dia oyi. So betimi ayen sa de abo anka na fo ya. Ade no mfa mo heart folk.
They have some more second.
Wouldn't sit you where I heart folk ekofa McNeil at buy. Who's a 1 year no china. 1 year per no china. And I'm better video so ka say papa we aban ubenya 70%. 1 year House of Folk supporters. And you can boy cry more cranka chimbi a can panka House of Folk. Because say we na katua nyega na fo katua bi na ojiwo
yeah
onwini de nudu eni waje katua saa 1 year bon so cry mo ndinga togo de ko boka papa Dr. Kwam Jemini na katua ko for the man but McDonald de minim say obeji kese
yeah
onyu kro beji dollar be say bi odu ni akiri
ebe broka
so 1 year pepe no china o nti House of Folk supporters Sheska bebrebe akwa yensa akra moboy. It is a pakosi pakofie Sunsum.
Pakofi
Sunsum. Wa yefantini ba ofu mi an region. So otumi bi obetumi dia bo anka na foi so mo shekotoko eyekosi da wo Kumasi Sports Stadium on va me bo House of Folk. Ma House of Folk mo nko boss akap ni bi.
E bia no de bo house wo na league tia onya.
Who is there Sunsum nyabre. Dite Sunsum nyabre nya say kotoko no share house. 3-0 no reko boss a competition last year.
Me kai pa.
Tio, it say otina no kotoko jika bro a. E chese kotoko ni na share has dey ko jika. Into what they no replace it. Enti na menya or e fo be bi also na mi abrisa say mo pa mo ba be share na mo dia ko jidi dia. What so on just here. Enti ko ni bi o match ko competition ko fu bi ko a. E bi say na no na si sai. O ye ni ne ya wo ya on just here. Na nezi so say lu Madonna ye ni bi njojo ye bi etuaka
see na no ye prediction amem edienta onya me necessary no
o de me say
e ko the victory beba
me say bi nwanwa
eh
ye mi nwanwa
ene onya me asum ni die
de bi ye mi asum no me say aye me wo empre bebrete
me ti opa
empre o se na me no fatu say empre bebre na ye hu ade ma ne sisa ba sa ade o say sisa ba nwanwa
still sisa
ana intina mi kadi to say masu ansia ebe mu papa
menya sure menya kokudura a predicting
peba bia mi gina no peba bia mi gina na mu kotoko fon fiti ase na kirekire ne mama de besi se sakotoko amokota fana safiu ya ni ebe mu wa
o de yan ne specific o mu last game against in Kana o ka say o the victory beba me say so o kono mu din sapan ba fi ebe mu wa tana me kan me si o mudi nsapan be fia e be mu wawa nsapan o mudi ba fie
ite mu wawa
enti unyame no o kan se na kire wan tini ye
bi o tie am so won so nyanti masi me si so mudi nsapan be fia me ni kwaku e be mu pa se kotoko din nsapan be fie e no ko enzo din nsapan be fie
fantastic
wan fa point ba ko kra enti mi wawa sada no
mate
ya de so much is ni nyina so sada no ko ani da mitimitina sese mi rombo ni na mi fa so ra ba be dufi na ni ma na mi nyam se asimu de anyame de me kan crunch on say master anyame de but still anu me de so agini ba bi mi gina se kutuko anko bokota fana spa
Ademida say everything for Siajan and I think live asempa 94.7 yeah kokorokum kaka korokom must rise on Sunday against in Kana Red Devils in Yasadia insusa so be say when we need game and the next game against Al Hilal no ahwa na fans no ankwa ma na nya numbers ni sika open Michael no be kom kaka me 5 minutes no record ko die mu ye ba na be say $8 million no ebetimi de African Cup na abefie amagana ne kwasi apia monitoring $30,000 Ghana sikapa head ni say okay ni nyina no courtesy the normalization na edisa nyoma nyina no abaso ama empenfo so ajato Michael nko bi di nsem mu
now Maiso we share kotoko travel to Zambia owo na the hope was very high lose the game no we share the post match reaction and also share the commentary and also the literature around say Kotoko losing say Siki Akono all of a sudden I'm for doubting the capacity and I say the
capabilities.
Yes, as a coach. Now, my catch Kotoko for say before Siki Akono over Kumasa I think Kotoko now I hear extraordinary things when they carry as a coach before over Kotoko. Now, on one kasa the capability as a coach, Eddie dreams, Eddie free Division 1 to Premiership. It was enjoying a comfortable lead. It was enjoying comfort. Our dreams. Now, Ash Gold, going down to relegation. Siki Akono, LDV dreams to Ash Gold or Sevi Ash Gold from relegation. And then the following season, now only pray for the first position with Mediama. Before Oba Kotoko, and I said before they move from Ashanti Gold to Kotoko. Now Kotoko so for African say member group stages in African Confederation Cup. Now for the past 6 years, from 2013 to 2018, now Kotoko for so we call away crack Kobobola. Now one goal push now home thing. Now just 2013 50th match, JSM Bajai versus Kotoko away. JSM Bajai 0, Kotoko 0. Now 2014 9th February 2014 away awubo eno na BYC Barak Young Boys omubo omushe Kotoko 1-0 Kotoko tumi ashego away o. Now 2015 Kotoko versus MCL Uma away under David Duncan Kotoko 0 and I say Uma 0 Kotoko 0. 2018 Kariobangi Shark against Kotoko Kariobangi 0 Kotoko 0. We try say Kotoko so muko away omutumi she but during the reign of Siki assistant Sani Amano na Kotoko ena omushe omuko away omushe enso omushe go na enso omushe one so omutumi she as much as 3 into Siki oya ade ama Kotoko eduru baby Kotoko so person ball group stage is quite not very difficult. The last time we ball in the group stage 2008 into over 11 years ni Kotoko football group stage game. It is true Siki. Now I'm Kotoko enjoy this run now group stage. I think say and yet this lose Kotoko first suffer against Nkana. The Rema Siki all of a sudden why bad coach into UTA radio from Anopa we share news. Look kind the tabloids and all kind news on the internet. They are more for can say Kotoko should and I say Siki and making changes. I'm more for per se influencing the player selection. But I think say they should leave Siki because our a mountain of tactical headaches I say to face Nkana for our into Sunday game. Now onto the game itself. Now we share Siki I saw 2 changes. So 2 changes a must. But I'm also influencing say only another 2 changes, which means Oma Wahab Adams ember into the game. Say they be Emona Juma Bedu drop it. After so unse Amos Report, the captain of the side, the leader, you miss the game. So he has to replace that player. Now, we share Utie news and as Utie among 4 suggestions on Mudeba. Omuka say Yama Daniel Dakwa a boss game no. Now Daniel Dakwa as a player is coming from injury. In match fitness saying quickly people are suggesting say Siki Akono and rushing into the starting 11.
Many sure so on your fitter coach in this crucial game.
But and your coach now all can say I'm for the suggestion mano. You understand? Now we share Wahab Adams. The last time a ball game was last year, December, against Ash Gold. On ball a single minute in Confederation Cup. I'm not for suggesting say because there is failure in the center pair, we should bring Wahab Adams because of our height. Now, we share Kotogo team now. Attacking problem no any problem and I say goal scoring any problem. Defense no. The problem here defense. Now defense no one consider 4. In area boss alone no one consider 4. Or one consider 2 penalties. The rest of the goals are one consider is an open play. Now 4 now one consider in area boss no. Area boss na yaka on same do the first area goal I consider was against Cotton Sport Garua. The second goal. And first area ball as saying. Area ball is a floating ball in the air. And say players and as defenders should be able to deal with the area ball.
To head it.
Yes. If they are not able to deal with the first area ball, drop a second ball. A second ball you need another defender to mop up that second ball. Say your opponents don't tap into it. Now the first goal Omu considering the area ball position was against Cotton Sport Garua. The second goal Cotton Sport for share was an area ball. They failed to deal with the first time area ball. The second goal Omu consider was at Sudan. Hell Hilal. Area ball Oman to me and defended because it was
Al Hilal.
So thank you. Hal Hilal because it was safer. Now any player pray for the area ball and not the center defenders. Now we just a far heighter, big problem. Into also consume now against.
So in general, let me say we defensive setup no problem. Enough communication.
Yes, enya area ball on the ground also committee, Kotoko committee, and also consider 3 penalties in 7 games. Consider penalty against Cottesville Gara. Consider penalty against Zesco. Consider penalty against Nkana. Now out of these 3 penalties, you show 2 out of these penalties. This is one area Kotoko air consider, and the other area also consider open play. Who's say ball na microphone at me working ball here because there are lapses and I say there are a lot of spaces in between Kotoko defense. Amofo are able to capitalize on these spaces to score. Kotoko consider 4 from area balls, 2 from penalty situations, and 3 from open play. Now into this game, Kotoko landing on Tuesday. They must use this time to prepare for this game because they have limited time. They have only 1 week to prepare. Now, get into this game. Game a crucial game. Emma Kotoko and I say a game they want to win at all costs. Now, we share on preparation because they came on Tuesday. Wednesday will be a recovery session for the players. Now they have to use Thursday and Friday to prepare. And this Thursday and Friday, we share Asante Mamun Sema. What yet from them? I say Kotoko visit children's home. So which means timer somebody training
somebody rest. If you might train Navy, here be a session to rest.
Yes. To train Imam. And also who say Kotoko players they are new to this African Cup of African
some of them
they are new to yes, not only the terrain but they are new to travels. Say travel within 3 days game, within a week game. They are new to these things. In Canada African Confederation as a African competitions, so they are used to it. Now, say if your players are new to all these things, now most of your players of about 8 players about over 500 minutes. So the time I saw the resting, solidarity
movement.
These are the time I saw resting. But in this game, you want to win, and you are using your quality time to do movement around. Once you have to let your players rest and prepare for this game. Maestro, now from the Ikana side, I think they are the only side to stop Kotoko from scoring in open play. Kotoko for any team they meet, to work ball and share. But for the first time, Ikana was able to map a strategy of 4-3-3. Now the middle of the 3 had to stop the dangerous side of Kotoko, and I said the dangerous department of Kotoko. Any of the wingers, Bakuni, Mano Jemfi. On the day, you see, say Jemfi, Mano Beguru were frustrated because of the strategy Ikana did by game. Now, Kotoko only scored from a set play, which is yes, which is free kick. Ikana is the only side to stop Kotoko from scoring from open play. Now coming to Kumasi, let's not forget, say Ikana are the top team of the table. Omukra 6, so they are not coming to this game to lose, but to find a point so that they maintain their position. And our top game critically, very difficult for Kotoko to beat. Very.
We have to admit fact. And I was for you extra harder.
Yes. Now Usha team now. When you these 3 things, Usha the Makano, they are the first team, and they are the first place team in the group. Into coming to this game, they are coming to this game with full confidence. Already they have 3-1 lead against you, and Kotoko are going to make about 4 changes. So only 4 changes are now Sika Kono taking out the trusted players from this team. Into 4 changes are affecting the team fluidity, as I affected the team telepathy on the day of the play. Now the time I Kotoko say resty, they are using it to do other functions, which I think is going to go against them. Now Usha players here, they are new to the terrain as far as Confederation Cup is concerned. They are new to the terrain. I think say on the day Kotoko picking a win will be very difficult. I don't foresee them, and as I mean Kotoko say Omunya win on Sunday because of these key 3 things.
Mate, but as a Michael Lucan and Otenica, Yabana, you call Black Stars Kaka, minimum time, Bebna, Yabeko, a year lines in the Sabat, Tinepa, much blood donation awareness work up to a year a brief mountain. There's a Yabe Machi, Yabenanti, Yabetrium Pumpa, Ninano, a blood donation, sir, here, so Chimuja, now Ude a Bownia, Nabi Vietikoso, na
Saturday, there's over.
Saturday, Baba.
Command is what they
throw now nyasa ahodeno energy na
me kwa me di no machi
now wo mutimi twu wo mo jani bi
mo twen
wo de no
na le obi enu aye ntimi ntwene de
o dabi
so twede obetimi atwo test na nya no wato ade
na mi bi say
ana on jase
Matias de mi bi say ento mo pom ho asem say bra ne ntwe wo de yenhwe ne entesi hu say eya na say nya ansa ne ye hu de be ye na no won to de ne to twe
ye twe obi ade ye twe oba ye be twe obi moja no obi we de enu we hia we de enu we hia we de enu we hia
Matias ye obi aba e be twene de ba me bi say wo de ne de ye tugu yi nya sure say
ma ha de ja be twe enu we mu no enu we de say otugu
kobi moja o twe kobi moja na say o de cop machine man o de petrol ko ya na nkeye enti abusiafo mejudi binisa bibia e kama nti wo bra ho na ye ntwe kakra ne nche ohia obi o say ya twu moja obeye mre woni su bebiru ente sakra we doctor se kukudan na e kire ehia e wo say ya twu moja na ye de boa ye nuanom a wo mo ehia moja enti memma yenyi ho mfrim kwa ye nyina ye motwi ene tada na ye mra na ye generate that awareness ebe boa yen pa Saturday the second day of March and Sajumedi baso Saturday ya enti yenshen so anaso wochina 2019 and Jumedi e baso anapa 5:30 am na afi bibia so etimi akoye ewo ehorom but me ba ma to aso mamenko na me ne Richard Opon Ansong were the president of Kechi FC ninkomo briefly na afi yenhwe sede esitie Richie, good evening.
But good evening,
Mini anaboko de
Obo ade adaru ma bi ya boko.
Enkoko boko.
Oh, minru boko, but me ubite wa boko.
Yesi mo se ha se ba, mo show mo asa mo matadwo boto be 10 dia ba. Enu krebe no.
Oh, said ye be so atadwo boto 10 dia. Sabi me nya atadwo fu. But omo pe bia, make me to be at home.
Has any record war a friendly matches no too overwhelming hu ebinsi da in the history of the club team say omu peja omu ye pa na sebe anoma ketu akachiri o be pento kwa has be bi odri na do afoforo eko e dey na mo in your folder ye nima mo fe sam betimi e dey ahye ye phobia
phobia for ye dey just because with the introduction of the new sign coach, Kim Grant, I'm sorry, a very good coach. Oba Yampa, almost said the thing be brave. But I'm for no, and I'm a catch of Paris. Catch the almost in Pam for if you say, you're no mambo 4 times. 10 goes in the PM, yen extra 6 out of 4, extra 4. 4 lines, so you are some 3-1 bar, you about 3-3, and you about 0-0, and you about 0-0. In the record, no, record against certain teams, name and yet FC. In the Kim Grant team year, now I thought now with me second FC and Sana or the insert in the work I say the team is good enough.
That's a catch FC for Ebema Ghana for who say has a team no say enye yesa na unshia be a better side.
I'm say prior to Nkana game Kotoko game no. Now be any Kotoko team na until say Nkana SOC defense kakra. That is the same thing now. China nyame adma memrant na amama say ombema catch has team no. Yesu ya mu say both kakra. Oh,
fantastic. And yes, Abasha has been saying no.
Oh, yeah, mom, yeah, just a bit much from 2 goals. But I'm like I need a moment about.
I know better consolation, no.
And only 89 minutes.
Hey, catch the FC. Now, more superstars, sir.
Of course, I'm saying again, second division. My player for player, no, I can tell you, you were superstars. Oh, my captain Bernard Mensah or Adakwa MZ Diana Stars anything or Mustafa Halidu has one kata Bidinesi Gidiamanibusi Dinechi MSO Baba Mando Dempsey MZ Obwatofo in animal MZ me team no one say second division but the materials that I have no MZ Omonia second division materials from your premier materials.
One ma free boys and my chama ba behwe sa game ni bi me ba behwe bi pa na ya hwe se emrante na abobodi no omo wo sa ahodina
especially John Bernard Mensah the captain Otina Behuno.
Okay, Mate, Kobe Stone Bejina commentary position or Honafi, dear Cosinano. But Chama Mamma, I wish you all the best at China game against a Hasno after the game, never. Okay, wait, Richard upon Anson or on a president, McKay FC, and I'll say, or also Ajibra. Is it?
Oh, wishing good luck, sir, on Fancha House.
I wish you all the best.
All the best. Some Fancha House.
Or no, I'm in Casa.
Papa, oh, much we are through one. Haya last year no kasa say obesha has and bounce your point no much has through one. Okay. And no saka be ba we there as a has no bonus so. But
enti o china said na manugusu no ye be kona yakọ donate blood na say moja na kama pa 5:30 am jumedi na sha say na eno nyase ye kọ ya na ko donate moja no me ba cho activities bebre horoma ye be ye na de atenetene yempom aerobics ebeba so ye bonyum na ye buye mu ne di asa na unya baby position bi gina hu se de obi bu mu na ye ofe na ohwe na so bu mu nse emubu no ade a o se yesu ye act nti nkofo bi ni mubu nti uju gina baby no position ho na so sua se de esi buye mu pa nti aerobics ne be koso ne nyina no ewo eyi mensa police station ope ana dwumade no eba sa so na ya be wie ewo peduase ye Methodist primary ne JHS ye school no pepepe nti yan hye no so na fun activities bebre na no na eba aso ampe 1 2 3 hwehwem ko yumpena ni nyina bi beba ho enti no sa no hu se gift wo ba bia wo bia no obekọ ba ko bia ne no yaso pem no kwa pem no no akọ fam no enti eno sa fem nyina no ebeba enti wo be ye eho ye do enti o kina ye nyina ye bekọ akohia horom na fa djumadi ne ya ne kama pa ewo ehorom ama bibia so matimi akoye na ye ehu fa no na say dress code no anya sporty watimi ahye jeans kama na say track down kaba no abo JCB fe white or red t-shirt ebebo ye pa djumadi powered by Kesan Group, National Blood Service Ghana, and a media sponsors no Joy FM, Adom FM, Sempa FM, GTV, BNFT, Safra, Omina Eboa, and a other partners are Eboa sponsor no Olam, Royal Feast and Royal Aroma, Omo Buana Fe, Kwaba, Vacations, Eboa, Ramani, Lily Rice, Sally Lily Rice, no, announce the pa, Blue Skies, Bell Beverages, Cocoa Processing Company, Golden Tree Chocolate, fantastic, and I feel Vimto, Coco Ken, Omina Eboa, and I feel West African Rescue Association, WARA, Omoba Vortic, Le Country Water, and I feel Stop Law, Jojo Juice, and I feel Stylista, Health Essentials, Omina Eboa, and my mema, and Cocrafonina, Momra Muntin Mupo, Yantum Muja, Namuza and Muja Channel, Yadi and Faswa also. Please join us. Someone's life depends on you. Nina Yejumedia, Yeshimukena, Nina so 80 Abuapa. Meba.
Bichabiana maniaje, bichabi into maniaje rough. Minum be mama humeka, nanya humeka ntima ye fine. I don't go for me koi, I don't go for me koi. Sempa FM. Mama kona maniaje rough. Yeni abani nunguna naye. Bichabiana ye fine. When you bet you I don't go every day no manum. I don't go for me koi.
So when if you do what you are menum and yama appeal so for do to a fair 0561 200 333 and 0504 499 977.
I was drinking sports beer
and don't go bitters. Et demufua.
Kwawo Bichabiana maniaje, bichabi into maniaje rough. Minum be mama humeka, nanya humeka ntima ye fine. I don't go for me koi, I don't go for me koi, Mama kona maniaje rough. Yeni abani nunguna naye, Bichabiana ye fine. When you bet you I don't go every day no manum. I don't go for me koi.
Se unya efiedu watwe amenom enye ma apemfo. Se opododo to a frɛ 0561 200 333 and 0504 499 977.
Ewo drinking spot beer.
And don't go bitters. Edemufua.
Very well, we are back. Was Sempa 94.7 Sports Night. So energy media, Echagon, a bray, a copper, minim say, Kobe Bryant, Black Stars 8 million. And Sika, penny for say Black Stars and Fancoji Cap number. As a country, as a wete, Yabesha Okakana, Kosia Pia, monitoring $30,000 in a component. Maybe I just say, Ujudi, now Ubetima pick you winner with the NBA, Jumedina Kosona, especially the final and tentem crown. We bet to end this opportunity, no, amount to the trial luck power. We will be our cross on Pana Bompire, luck Bebawa family, but trial luck. Now, if we predict it come up, now it do the playoff, now what me predicted the winner, and now say it do the final, so I predicted the winner. Sika da Hornyesika Ketwa $10,000 and give to more class. Bet me Bubu de Honina, then sitting in our friend the Kaba could be yes, and Yesika Ketwa. There's a Ube Yepa, Ninano. A bet way at the Bantiana signing up now if pick the playoff near where wins are exclusively at betway.com.gh. Betway for the love of the game. Almost so a boy and copy Rem.
Maso Sikano Ose the Odeya monitoring saying
$30,000.
$30,000. I don't know for the Tuja.
And I wish you say the component for monitoring.
The chama me busa on ka wonya se busa ba the chama me busa ne se your dem haya ne ka se yama normalization committee you say 8 million anamwa but at the end na you come near see the akọ cancer you say 500,000 akọ cancer
yeah
enti se na ya dia betudwa se so wo kra da so component so wan ya wo kan a wo se dia betudwa se sika 30 ahahin dia be ma majedi ene se omo asisudia so ye diskana ma no ana sikana ekọ ana sikana nya be da ho
kwasi ya we se ne monitoring no sika eda so ne $30,000 when the ni say we dey
e wo kwa ba beje ana se ye diama no wode ekọ
na de ho kwa ba de sika be na konfanko
say ti America because ye tia na ya be kan trab no bonus expectation na be say kwasi nya sika wode ekọ monitoring kwasi pia ti say na so be komnes kan no kra no chese ya be kan na ni akwa ya make out say na it say the pressure better so because sika we me say for the first time blaster coach bia ba yaman sika ti say fakoya monitoring eni
me no be ya adwene pa some idea sika kese sei eni
yes
most of you know mo ya monitor GF you know support
but and so saying so on the American
mo Francis Gase
engine ho say na ko ba se wanya seska we nso akwasi nso agiska we no memfa nkone na players bia so kekew
aya omudie na na mo no Kobi aya di omko ho monitor wan
o monitor wan say me chase you
the players formatted players dada template eda ho akwada keto akura betima katene ni select players e de be call AFCON and the omga say 30,000 monitor okoye den
they say no
new players be ho na old players
na the player monitor am say Caleb Kuban everybody yankupo em so ko hekeke
yeah
because enye so omu diska na ko nenam mantwe bia ko for players bi dia ba say you ko se players say no normalization wo di ko se efe no wo di be ko e say no a good start at the man
the way is simple say normalization here a budget of 7.2 million ne ko piem baby ne mpenifo e wo so no se da bi enso $8 million and the GMPs in first sesi kan mbra na mu so ko tam sika na edeba na ye dia share normalization sem ni ye di hu nkoma obe free 8 million wa say GF for mo magin fan ko AFCON no aza so bia
mo zo kana me ho na me ho sa semisi bi wa do fa semisi ba bi o de si
dem belam kan say
na wa ga be ja ho amu bia be fa
adwene sa anya adwuma body ni bre
unu say normalization for no adia omu ya enye ego na ewo omunimo nim enye
as bragadosi ni
enye moye anye ani de sa esunu de na mine no koye
ye rapia
mine no koye ye gwa kozi nka wedi nka meka se papa ni de ne yesini we mu de
kekasi su ye
ayinu
kozi nyantachi de ne yesini
yesini ego na ewo no
sia emfa
yesini sa normalization way normalization way I'm not member use a Ghana for your dear. Yeah, just Casaba. I don't make us but money be come in the animal. Namas your friend Matthew was yes, sir. $8 million after every it doesn't make sense.
But my Robert, Goil filling station manager also. Robert, good evening.
Robert, Goil filling station manager. Robert, heavy brutal, heavy power.
I think $30,000. Snappy. Yes, it's good, but this is not the time I be inviting new players. We are going to tournament as much as this 2019 tournament about pressure say Kojiba. This is not the time.
I think enter into a program. No senior dey 2 weeks be. No nyasa software be now dey senior dey. Yes. Software that them going to be the monitor.
Also increase your backroom staff to help you because you can't do the job on your own. You can't do everything on your own. So this is not the time I be inviting new players.
Yeah.
You call people and I say you visit people with tournament experience. Tournament G and the tournament players tournament but is different from a playing league. Into this is not the time to bring in new players.
Okay.
Go for players are about tournament vida. 2018 World Cup France 4G it was based on players are tournament vida. Ushopoba 2020 we bought tournament into playing in the tournament the rudiments and I said the processes are players go through the recovery session so go through in every 3 days super game. It's different from playing the league. If this is not the time I invite new players. Go in for players from about tournament call them, play them in their best positions. We'll get the results. Okay. This is not the time for new players.
Okay. But Ebusia for Yerbesianum na ya sorry so right time Bernard Paddy Buchi Gifty Anti na fe Immortal Asidan Koma Michael Okan na fe Stone Sia
Sunday
nyame adom na adom bia Friday yet na sia ya dey another revelation bi beba wonim say the entia Black Stars no ya tese equipment officers we ni enkofo bi epese ye pamom fi no the assembly court to mampany na oti a ho beduru Friday etna show is live
Sunday about week me be new branch Pokuase Festus Hotel Sunday week and 5 p.m. into be on occasion now when
the menu nyamba be te
when you bra cobra ta kwani ba
na me wo ba kwa men
CS teacher who cause say wo ba kwa men masa me say mu mienu na me hia
na me ma so ba kwa men ko
ade ndia umba masa mu mienu nyina me
na me cho say ma so ba ko bia men ko
ma yarum amfansia na say me pese me sitini ne kwa so na me ne bonsa me na we timi ya bone na bonsa nya we e we say for me di ba show akra peace and blessings.